Good morning, students. Today we are going to see what all things are going to come for the oral examination for civics, that is history and civics subject. So here goes the question like this. Who is the head of a Vishapati? In which Samhita indicate that the knowledge acquired at the feet of the teacher? Upanishad. What was the capital of Koshala? Shravasti. What is four Vedas collectively called? Samhita. Who was Prophet of Islam? Muhammad Paigambar. Next, some question answers are related to civic subject. Only objective type of question I am going to ask for oral examination. So, first question is, who is the administrative head of Panchayat Samiti? So here two questions are there. Who is the administrative head of Panchayat Samiti? Block Development Officer. Then who is the administrative head of Zilla Parishad? CEO, that is Chief Executive Officer. Who is Secretary of Gram Panchayat? Gram Sevak. Who presides over the meeting of Gram Sabha? Sarpanch. How many districts are there in Maharashtra at present? How many districts are there, students? 36 districts. Next, we have to go for reading session. Take out page number 20. Lesson number 5. Religious trends in ancient India. Towards the end of Vedic period, the minute details of yajna rites acquired undue importance. Only the priestly class had knowledge of this detail. Others no longer had the freedom to gain that knowledge. The Varna system restriction become very hard in the course of time. A person's social position was decided by the Varnas into which he was born rather than by his achievement. That is why from the Upanishad period we see that attempts were made to give a wide scope to religious thought and not restrict it only to yajna rites. However, the thought in Upanishad focused on the existence and nature of the soul. It was difficult for ordinary people to understand it. These gave rise to different sects that emphasize the worship of particular deities. For example, the sect of Shiva worshippers, and the Vaishnava sect of the worshipper of Vishnu. Different Puranas were written with reference to these deities. So students, you have to read till over here. Okay? Bye and best of luck for your oral test and also for semester examination.